24, our passage and answer choice A are the same. All the paleomycologists would be aware of the writings of anybody. And then we said Professor Mansour is aware. She is acquainted. Does that mean she's a paleomycologist? No, of course not. She might be out here, the non-paleomycologist who is acquainted with the works. Same shit with answer choice A. If you got one flight that's delayed, if that flight is delayed, then all the connecting flights will also be delayed. Then Frida is on a delayed connection. Does that mean her original was? No, of course not. It's possible that all connecting flights are always delayed, and that the fact that a connecting flight was delayed has nothing to do with whether or not the first flight was delayed, in exactly the same way that it's possible that everybody is acquainted with the work of paleomycologists, aren't you? In which case, being acquainted with their work doesn't tell you that you are a paleomycologist. The fact that they are the same, though, that's the important fact. And that's why answer choice A is correct. So here's the deal with these free videos. They're intended to serve a very narrow purpose. For those times when you're wondering, why is that the right answer? You can just come here for a complete library and find out why it was the right answer. And I hope that you'll find that it was very instructive. Of course, the other part of the deal is that since LSAC publishes all of their tests along with test keys, that means that there's no barrier to entry for test prep. And you can hear the air quotes, I hope. Anybody can, and lots of people have, set up shop and call themselves test prep companies, and they've got the questions, they've got the answer keys, and they just try to explain to you why the right answer is right. And then they charge you money for it? That is wrong. I want to put a stop to it. I want to sweep the legs right out from under them. It is bad for you. It's bad for me too. So if you want to know what the right answer is and why the right answer is right, I want you to be able to come here and find it out for free without paying anybody for it. That's very different from what I do in the paid course. What I think has value about what I do is that I can tell you ahead of time what every question wants from you, what to expect from the right answer, how to formulate a right answer, and then how you can expect wrong answers to sound, so that you know before you ever open up a test book exactly what to expect. And all the practice videos that are part of the paid course are just me putting that theory into practice. It's just the rubber meeting the road. In other words, I'm going to show you, based on what we've done before, how we're going to react when it comes up next time. And that bit, knowing what to do the next time you see something, that I think is worth paying for. And if you agree, I'd love to have you in the course. And if not, that's fine too. Don't pay anybody to explain why right answers are right. Just watch these for free. Enjoy.